We are all visual creatures, and our human brain dedicates itself to visual processing. The most amazing thing about the human brain is the fact that it can recognize familiar objects within 100 milliseconds, which is, of course, incredible. We have the cognition and the ability to pay attention to details in images. Think how these facts can affect our students' learning process and the importance of using images in class. In this video, I would like to introduce a super simple search engine for teachers and students looking to access safe images that can be used in different projects. This is the site. It's called photosforclass.com. It's safe and it's user-friendly. All you have to do is simply click here and type in the image that you want, that you're looking for your project. I'll choose planet Earth, and then I click on Find Photos. And here are photos that are related to the topic that I chose. Now, as you can see here, some images are from Pixabay and others are from Flickr. What you can do is you can simply click on download. Let's say that I would like to use this picture, which is lovely, colorful. I click on download, and then I can see the picture. And as you can see here, when I download the picture, you can see that it's free for commercial use, and there is no attribution required, which is excellent. So this site is actually amazing for all kinds of projects or unit plans that you conduct in your classroom. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and share. Assalamu alaikum, everyone.